Good morning. So this morning I imported a workflow, and as you can see, this MCP server trigger has this question mark. Try and open it, you get a message saying install this node to use. And this can happen for a couple of reasons. One, your N8N version could be out of date and needs to be updated, or two, this could be a community node and needs to be installed. So I'll run you through the first reason because I'm pretty sure this is why I'm seeing the question mark. If you have a look down the bottom of your N8N instance, you'll see I've got this little, I don't know what it is, but it's a little symbol with a little red dot on it. You click on it, as you can see, I'm 2 versions behind. Okay, with Docker, they use things they call tags. So if we go to the N8N Docker site, we can see we have this little tab here called tags, and there's probably 3 tags that you need to be aware of. One is next or beta, they're both the same thing, or stable. So I actually use the beta tag. I like to see what's coming up. I'd probably recommend that you use stable. Okay, to update, I actually use Linux as my, and I self-host as my N8N instance, and I actually use Docker Compose as well. We do a cat of the Docker Compose file. I'm using the beta as a tag, and this is the Docker image we're using. Okay, as I'm using Docker Compose to update, we run the Docker Compose pull command, and I will actually speed this up. Okay, the Docker image has been pulled down. Okay, now that we've done the pull, we actually run the Docker Compose up, which will just bring it up. If it's down, if it's seen changes, it will also restart for you. And then we /d so we get the command prompt back afterwards. Okay, so it's that quick. If we go back to the N8N workflow, I'll actually just re-enter page again, and you now can see that this MCP server trigger is available. Okay, so on the Docker image site, they have some instructions on how to do an update. With Docker Compose first, and these you can also do a Docker Compose down, but you don't always need to, as you just saw. And then if you're just using normal Docker without Docker Compose, then you just run, depending on the tag you're using, you can run docker pull docker.nan.io/N8NIO/N8N to get the stable one. If you want to get the unstable, then you just add a next to the end with a colon, and that's it. Any questions? Let me know.